Morning, Leon. Ron here at Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. We're going to do a quick video walk around on the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT Crew Cab. Okay, reduced price $39,972. All right. Again, this is a crew cab, keyless entry. All right. Power driver's seat, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Okay. Here, traction control. This also has the integrated trailer brakes, power sliding rear window. All right. Pick here, second row for you. All right. Do have cell phone chargers for the second row as well, tablets, what have you. Storage compartments in the second row seats, both sides, driver and passenger. Lift the seat up. All right. A little storage. Okay. Take a walk around the back. Again, this is the LT. Okay, power down tailgate. Set in bed liner. All right. 12 tie downs in the box for you as well. Steps in the bumper. Nice clean truck. All right. Again, 2019 Silverado LT. Reduced price, $39,972. Come on in, shoot a free throw. We'll take $500 off with our promotion going on this month. Any questions, give me a call. Ron here at Burtness, 608-931-3324. Again, Ron at Burtness Chevrolet, 608-931-3324. Have a great day.